guys? It's your girl Jazz. I am working. Got a new Slutbox. I'm sorry about the confusion on the last Slutbox. I said it was for November. Unfortunately, it was for October. And now I'm up to date on November. I just received it today, so I'm excited to see what kind of goodies I've got. Let's see. Open it up. Get all the goodies out so I don't make a mess. Love yourself. I do, actually. Alright, so let's see if I can get everything out without making a huge mess. I think I've got everything. If not, we'll try and find it in a minute. Alright, so let's see what we got. Let's see, Bio Nude Ultra Sensitive Natural Moisturizing Personal Lubricant. Okay. What else we got? Ooh, Cbd Gummies. This actually helps with a lot with my anxiety and kind of keeps me in a better mood, believe it or not. So I'm happy about these. And they're cherry flavored. What do we got? Oh, some nail decals. Ooh, you got some money on them. Is it real money? Can I check out? You know, say, here you go, you pay. No, I don't want. I want to keep my nails. Ooh, I got some new earrings. I like that. Yay! These are cute. Little loop earrings. Glitter all over my hands too, which is kind of funny. It's by Sizu for the Slutbox. Oh, so I guess these were created specifically for the Slutbox. Oh, that's cute. It has just like a little tiny stone on it. So I can put these on. Ouch! I haven't worn earrings in that hole in a while. I like them because they're you know, simple and delicate. Nothing too extravagant. But I'm pretty sure it'll still get caught up in my hair. Just like everything else does. Apparently I need to buy more earrings. And wear them often. What do you think? I would have liked them a little bit more dangly. I've seen what they call threader earrings, I think is, I guess, what these are. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. Guys are probably like, what? But yeah, I would have liked them a little bit more dangly. Personally. Anyways. Alright, so we got an organic cup for the menstrual cup. Guys, I'm pretty sure you don't need to know about this. So we're just gonna leave that one there. Period sex is healthy. Got some little warmers. They're from Crumble Candle Company. Let me see if I can smell them. Ah, that's where all the glitter is coming from. Has like a cherry smell to it. Like a soft cherry is what it smells like. Let's see, what else do we got? I was just thinking this. I was like, I would like to be able to have some like kind of general makeup that all of us can use, like mascara, eyeliner. And guess what? I get some new mascara by Eddie Funkhauser. The Quattro Variable Lash Mascara. Yay! Alright. Let's see. We got some more. Oh, Oil of Love for kissable floor play. Non-massage oil or lubricant. So I guess it's edible? Yeah. Blow, kiss, and now play. Allergy tested for external use only. Okay, so we got Strawberry Dreams and Vanilla Cream. I think that actually might be all of them today. Bang, bang. And a sticker. Alright, let me double check, make sure I got everything. That was a quick, simple review. So I got my earrings by AV Long Arc Earrings. I've got my dollar decal. I got my mascara. My sticker. Looks like I got everything, I think. Seems like I went through this one pretty quickly today. What do you guys think? A little too quick? Probably because I don't have anything goofy to say today. Cramping up, feeling bloated, exhausted, famished. Been there, done that. Ladies, I'm pretty sure you can sympathize with me. I'm pretty sure we've all been there, done that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and read my horoscope for this month. I am a Capricorn, and it says, Venus moves into your sign early in the month, and you'll probably notice your whole personality opening up and feeling more warm and fuzzy. Ironically enough, I have. I've actually been a lot more positive lately. Even things that have, kind of gotten me down. I'm like, you know what? Everything happens for a reason. I'm going to keep moving. All right. You'll feel a desire to get close and really relate with others at this time. And you'll even feel willing to compromise to maintain harmony. Me? Compromise? Oh, that one's a tough one. During this coming year, Jupiter in Scorpio suggests that your friends will be a huge benefit to you. But I don't have any friends. Maybe I'll make some. Maybe that's what it's saying. I'll make some friends. All right. It'll be a huge benefit to you, and you might even find yourself initiating group activities. The new moon on the 2nd suggests that new friends could be coming into your life this month. Be sure to foster these new relationships. You never know what role these new friends could play in your future. So it is saying I'm getting some new friends. Interesting. Well, alrighty then. I'll post the rest of these horoscopes so that way you can check out yours. Let me know if it's true or not. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. If you want me to continue reviewing the Slutbox, let me know as well. In the meantime, stay tuned and stay jazzy. Thanks for watching, guys.